Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So this week I'm posting my one pot curry cashew beef and broccoli dish. It is a healthy recipe that I found online that I just tried out once and it came out tasting delicious. So I don't have cashew paste and I'm still yet to find it. So I just replaced that with Thai green curry paste, and I do add roasted cashew nuts to the dish. So yeah, it is really easy, really simple, and it's really tasty and it's healthy. So you guys should definitely give it a try. I do make it with coconut rice, and I didn't actually show how I made my coconut rice, but I usually just add coconut, like I boil the rice in coconut milk and coconut oil and with a bit of water, just so that coconut flavor can come through. But yeah, other than that, like, everything's in the video. You can click the link below where you can find the recipe, and then you can just see what I replaced. So I hope you enjoy. If you do, please definitely give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.